What's up, guys? My name's Miles.
My name is Fez.
And my name is Alex.
And this is The Commodity. And today we are at Secret Recipe. You guys have been asking to see Alex. This is Alex.
Guys.
He has
The
cooked
legend.
us, yes, the legend. He has cooked us a fantastic dish. And I'm going to go ahead and let him talk a little bit about it and what he's put into it.
Okay, what we have here today is the Nasi Lemak, the Malaysian national dish. Okay, and also I always pair this with a teh tarik or teh tarik in Malaysia, and this is normally what I have for breakfast in Malaysia. So what I have done today is basically we have the Nasi Lemak, and we pair it with the condiments like the peanuts and anchovies. Of course, you have your sambal and freshly sliced cucumber, and also the rendang chicken. And basically, this is what we normally have in Malaysia. And also, we'll probably have a lot more condiments in Malaysia, like the sambal sotong and also the fried chicken and all that. You know, you have a lot of choices.
It's beautiful.
So
It looks it's insane.
I hope you guys enjoyed this and enjoyed the teh tarik. All right, guys.
Is there
thanks
a
for
proper
stopping by.
way of eating this? Like, is there like, or is it okay just to basically get a little bit of everything, throw it all together?
Oh, what you normally do, or what I normally do, is just I'll try to use some of the spices and condiments, and I don't mix them all up together. I just use it a little bit and then scoop it up, and that's about it. You know what I'm saying?
We're gonna do our best.
And I mean, I see somebody here in Dallas. What they try to do is they have not seen this. They mix everything up together. I don't recommend that.
Yeah,
I would
it's a lot of
recommend that.
flavors.
I would recommend that you go bit by bit and try.
And these
them
are
out, you know.
peanuts.
Those are peanuts and anchovies, and basically these anchovies are from Malaysia too. And so a lot of these ingredients are basically spices and everything. They're from Malaysia, you know. And
Awesome.
we'll try to keep as much as our stuff from Malaysia. And enjoy, guys.
Fantastic.
Awesome.
Thank you, Alex. We're
All right.
excited to try it.
Enjoy, guys.
Thank you. All right, guys, before we hop in, I did want to go over, if you guys want to chat with us, we have a Discord set up. We've got quite a few people joining in, and we're talking daily, having a great time. So if you guys do want to hop on there, I'm going to throw that in the description.
Also, we are trying to grow our Patreon. It's going to help us try to move forward to being able to travel over to Malaysia when COVID kind of lifts up.
Yes.
The description will be down below. It's only $1 to join. We are super excited. Now, what we're trying to do is, if you can like this video, we are trying to push the YouTube algorithm forward to get seen by more people.
Right. If you don't like it, give us a thumbs down.
It is
But
what it
who
is.
doesn't like Miles and Fez? And the commodity.
So let's go ahead and
A lot
jump
of
into
people.
this.
All right.
Let's go ahead and you want to try like a little bit of the stuff around and then go for the main dish.
I want to go straight into the Nasi Lemak. This is what everybody, now you know what?
Let's build up.
Let's build up to the Nasi Lemak.
Let's try this guy. Just a little bit of it. Ready? And bones.
That is fantastic.
That is very good.
Oh, wow.
There's cake behind that one.
I can taste the sambal. That is very good.
It's rich in spice for sure. I don't have anything to compare this to because I haven't had a lot of
Right.
food with these types of spices, and that is really spicy actually. And then we've had that. I want to try this a little bit with the actual. What was that again? The
Anchovy?
Sorry, anchovy. Yeah. Ooh, those anchovies are really nice and
Crunchy.
salty.
They
and
have a
adds
good
lot
crunch.
It's great. All right,
I'm cutting into it.
are you going straight for the yolk?
Yeah.
Let's go for the yolk. It's so beautiful. It's art. Let's try this out. I'm so messy with this.
That rice is fantastic.
You know what? I was expecting a
wow.
much stronger coconut flavor to it.
It's very subtle and
Yeah, it's just right behind it.
It's perfect.
It's delicious. Holy cow. Holy cow. We've been missing
Oh wow.
so much.
Add a little sambal to this.
Let's see how this goes. I think I need the spoon, not the fork. Let's try that. And this is the first time he's had a, I guess, sunny side
I've
up.
never had a
or-
sunny side up egg before.
Or an egg that has the yolk still intact. Oh yeah. I was nervous that the coconut was going to be overbearing with it because I like coconut, just not to an extreme level. I was completely wrong about this, and that is super spicy, and I'm starting to lose my voice because it's so hot.
Let's try this tea.
What was the tea called again?
Alex, what's the tea called?
It's a tea tarik, the tea tarik in Malaysia.
Tea
is
tarik.
Okay.
Supposedly it's piping hot.
Oh wow.
Oh, it's almost, it's aromatic.
Yes. That is awesome.
So to be fair, typically in the U.S. you don't have a lot of hot drinks with your main dish,
Well, so
but
this
this
would be
actually is
considered-
working really well together.
this is
It's mind
fantastic.
blowing. I don't drink coffee, so like when I go out to eat with my parents, my dad and my mom drink coffee after their meal, kind of to settle the stomach or something. I don't know. But this goes extraordinarily well with the rice. It doesn't overdo it. It doesn't. It just keeps it very mild. It's not over the top.
You want to hear another thing that I've never tried before?
If you say,
I've never had a cucumber. I'm so
Shut up.
I'm so
I don't
uncultured.
believe you.
No, really, I love pickles. I've never had any desire to eat a cucumber.
all right, yeah, let's try this cucumber. What should I put on the cucumber? I don't even know. I love the spice. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do what I'm not supposed to do. I'm gonna put a little bit of everything on one of these.
Cucumber's good.
I'm Americanizing it. Alex was right. You do not need to put all these together.
Let's see here. Is it spicy?
Yes.
It's got that kick, huh?
I love it. I'm actually starting to sweat. I love it. So we have a friend here helping us do this. He has a channel called X Reacts. He goes by Johnny Zeta.
And we'll go ahead.
I want him to come over here and try this out real quick.
And we're gonna throw his channel link right here.
What's going on, guys? Johnny, aka X. Excited to try this. What should I go for?
You gotta have the rice. You definitely have to try the sambal, the chili.
Okay.
I'd throw some of these. Man, I'm not even a peanut fan. But
these are peanuts?
Yes, peanuts with anchovies. Mm-hmm. And then this is the chicken. It does have bones in it, so be careful.
Okay. I'm gonna use your fork. All right, Fez?
I'm good with that.
Okay, you
Cool.
you throw everything you want on there.
Let's go with this. I'm gonna take it slow. Let's see. It's like an after flavor of spice. Oh my gosh.
It's beautiful.
You've never had a cucumber?
I've never had cucumber. I'm super uncultured. I love
How's
pickles.
that possible?
I love
Woo!
pickles.
Yeah, that rises. That keeps on going. This
Yeah.
is good. I'm gonna try some of these peanuts.
They're
Gotta
so
get
good.
one of the anchovies.
Yeah.
Well, these are anchovies. Do I have to? I'm gonna do it. I've never had an anchovy before. You never had a cucumber? I've never had an anchovy. Is that an anchovy? Mm-hmm. That's what an anchovy looks like?
Yeah. I think it's like a fried anchovy. or a dried anchovy.
It's like an onion strip.
Yeah. This is so delicious. I now understand why this is the national dish.
Try the tea.
Yes.
Is it like chocolate? What is it? What do you call it again?
Kind of has a coconutty, kind of a
Oh
mocha
my
taste.
god. Oh, that is so good. That's delicious. That's like,
It's insane.
if it's actual tea, it's like steeped tea.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it tastes like hot chocolate, but real.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna try a little bit of egg, and I'm gonna let you get back to it. I'm sorry, it's so good. Oh no. No. I like this rice. It's made out of coconuts?
It was rice with
That's cooked
coconut
with
milk.
Oh, delicious.
Yeah.
I'm loving this food. Don't forget to like and subscribe to The Commodity, #1 channel on YouTube.
Yeah, I know. I don't know how y'all feel about sharing silverware, but I've known Johnny for what, 7 years?
8. No, 2021.
That's crazy. You say it like that, 2021. You know what I learned today? RoboCop was filmed here. I did not know that.
Secret recipe.
No, no. I was watching a video on YouTube that RoboCop was actually filmed. Thank you, sir. In Dallas, Texas, even though it took place in Detroit.
I've never seen RoboCop.
What?
I'm just dropping bombs today.
You're crazy. All right, I'm gonna take a few more bites and we'll wrap this up. This is insane. Thank you so much, Alex. This is the most amazing thing ever. This is right hand. Perfect.
Yes, don't eat and don't eat with your left hand. That's for later.
Yeah. If y'all are still watching, comment down below. Alex is #1.
Or just Alex, #1. Alex is number. That's a lot. It's a whole sentence.
Say Alex is #1.
Do it. Ready to wrap this up,
Let's wrap it up.
guys? This is an awesome meal. Again, I understand why this is the national dish of Malaysia, because it's fantastic. I'm at a loss for words at the. I mean, there's so many different things that go into it. It's like flavors hitting you from all directions.
And the best part is, I feel like the rice can be used in so many different situations, not just with these ingredients surrounding it, but I feel like that can just go with almost anything.
Right.
I don't know why other cultures haven't jumped onto this and make like sushi out of this. I know it's not sticky rice, but I mean, it's delicious. It would pop off.
Yeah.
It would just add another flavor to it. So with that being said,
My name's Miles.
and my name is Fez.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Peace.
Out.